Great summer weather extends across South Africa on Tuesday with warm and dry conditions for most weather stations, other than a few thunderstorms still over the far northeastern parts. Tomorrow, a cold front moves in over the southwestern part of South Africa, bringing in cooler weather as well as the possibility of rainfall over the southwestern and southern parts. On our satellite, you'll start to see that low pressure moving off into the Indian Ocean, taking much of the cloud and rainfall with it, but still leaving behind a few thunderstorms over the far northeastern part of the country, as well as some cloud over the Eastern Cape. Our satellite also shows another low along the west coast, and that forms ahead of a cold front which will move in on Wednesday. For Tuesday though, sunny and warm to hot weather is forecast over the western and central part of the country, with some cloud for the Eastern Cape and isolated thundershowers over the far northeastern part of South Africa. We'll see those thunderstorms form in the same part of the country on Wednesday, extending through to the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Sunny and dry as we head over the central part of the country, with some cloud and possibly drizzle along the northern Cape coast, but that cold front bringing in rainfall in the southwest and then spreading that chance of rain through to the southern part of South Africa later on in the day and eventually reaching the eastern Cape coast on Wednesday night. For today though, isolated thunderstorms are expected over the northeastern part of the country, including Limpopo and Mpumalanga, northern KwaZulu-Natal, and then a very slight chance of thundershowers still over the northern and eastern part of Gauteng. On our wind map, you'll see a moderate east-northeasterly wind along the east coast, with a southwesterly wind along the eastern Cape coast, and winds already turned to the northwest and the west ahead of that cold front. It's a warm to hot day across South Africa, 28 degrees for Johannesburg and Mbombela. Cape Town also expecting that daytime high, 26 for George and Port Elizabeth, just shy of 30 as we head into Richards Bay and Polokwane, 30 degrees for Pretoria, 33 for Mahikeng, and Uppington expecting a high of 35 degrees. Overnight, we're expecting quite chilly conditions for the Free State, with a minimum of 11 for Bethlehem, 13 for Bloemfontein, and minimums will drop into the mid-teens for Gauteng as well as Mahikeng, including Kimberley, De Aar and Graaff-Reinet. 19 degrees though for Port Elizabeth and Durban, 21 for Richards Bay, 20 degrees for Mbombela, and Cape Town dropping to 18 degrees overnight. On Wednesday, we're expecting thundershowers over the northeastern part of South Africa, extending through to KwaZulu-Natal, with the possibility of rain from Cape Town all the way through to East London by Wednesday night, with sunny and hot weather still over the central parts. Then on Thursday, you'll see mild but partly cloudy weather for Springbok, with the possibility of rain still along the southern and southeastern coastline, with thunderstorms mainly over the far northeastern part of South Africa, and a partly cloudy and warm to hot day for Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.